Hello everybody, it's Joseph and this is
Hassan.
Hassan. Today we are going to talk about how to describe the hot weather or to express the hot weather in English. Okay, do you know any expression or idiom to express this hot weather?
As I know,
Hurry up. 1, 2, 3.
the sun is very hot.
Maybe. You can say it's hot.
It's hot.
You can say it's as hot as hell. Okay?
It's like a hell.
Yeah, according to hell. Yeah. And we can say it is boiling. It's boiling, right? Verb to boil. And we can say
Boil.
it is sizzling. Yes, it is sizzling. Okay? We can say also it's baking hot. It's baking. What does it mean bake? The verb to bake. To
Bake.
prepare bread, okay? To prepare bread. Yes, the baker. Okay. We can say also it's cooker. It's a real cooker, okay? What does it mean cooker?
Cook.
It's the cooking machine that
Cooking,
cooks
yeah.
food, yeah. And so on and so far, okay? That's it. Guys, I hope you learned something new. See you then.